In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a calendar in Google Calendar. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a calendar you own is permanent. Every event on that specific calendar will be erased and cannot be restored. If there's any chance you'll need those events later, consider exporting a copy of the calendar first, so you have a backup. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. Once your calendar loads, look to the top right of the page for the gear icon. Click that, and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the full settings panel for your Google Calendar. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a section labeled Settings for My Calendars. This is where each calendar tied to your account is listed individually. Click the name of the calendar you intend to delete. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the right one, especially if you keep multiple calendars for work, personal events, or shared projects. A helpful tip is to glance at the calendar's description or its color to confirm it's the exact one you want to remove. After selecting the calendar, scroll down the page until you find the option that says Delete Calendar. In some cases, you may see Remove Calendar instead. Clicking Delete Calendar will permanently erase the calendar and all of its events if you own it. If you see Remove Calendar for a calendar you don't own, such as one you've subscribed to, it will remove that calendar from your view without deleting it for the owner. Either way, Google will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. When the confirmation appears, read it carefully, then confirm your choice. Once you do, the process completes immediately. The calendar will disappear from your list, and, if you deleted one you own, all events within it are permanently deleted. There's no undo, so it's worth pausing to be absolutely certain before you click Confirm. If your goal was simply to tidy up your view rather than erase data, an alternative for the future is to hide a calendar on the main calendar page by unchecking it in the list on the left, which keeps the data intact. That's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Google Calendar by deleting the calendar you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and take care when managing your calendars to keep only what's truly useful.